Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful braided bun hairstyle step by step. I've started with curly hair, but this works on straight hair as well. Next, I'm going to take a small section of hair close to the front of the head and clip this out of the way for later. I'm then going to take a larger section right behind this and I'm going to split it into 3 equal sections. And we're going to do a Dutch braid. So to start, I'm just going to cross my top section under the middle and then cross the bottom section under the middle. Then I'm going to take a small slice of hair from the top of the head, add it to that top section and again cross it under to the middle. And then we're going to take a slice of hair from the right hand side, add it to the bottom section, cross it under to the middle, and I'll show you one more time. Add a small slice of hair to the top section and then cross it under the middle. Take a small slice of hair from the front right hand side, add it to that bottom section and cross it under to the middle. And we're basically going to carry on doing this Dutch braid, working our way around the head until we get to the middle. Once you've picked up all the hair from above the ear, stop adding hair to the bottom section. So only add it to the top section. Once you reach the middle of the head, just braid a normal 3-strand braid for a few inches. And I'm going to add some texture powder to that braid. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then, using your fingers, gently pinch and pull the very edge of the braid to make it more voluminous. And then just pop a clip on for now. And we're going to do the same Dutch braid on the opposite side. So section off a small piece of hair near the front for later. And then create your Dutch braid in the same way you did on the opposite side. Work your way around to the middle of the back of the head. And once you've added all that hair there on the front, stop adding hair to the bottom section and just add it to the top as you angle it round the back. Add your texture spray and then really pinch and pull that braid apart. And then just clip that out of the way for now. Now working on that section we left out, I'm going to divide this in two and do a rope braid. So take the right hand side and twist it clockwise, and then we're going to cross it over the left strand. So always twist the right hand strand clockwise and then cross it over the top of the left strand. And then we keep doing this all the way down to the bottom of the hair and then secure it off with a clear elastic band. If you're new to my channel or keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Now we're just going to pin through the centre of the braid, and we're just going to attach it with a couple of bobby pins so it lays through the middle of the braid below it. And then we're just going to do the same rope braid on the opposite side, and again we're going to pin it through the middle of that Dutch braid. Make sure you keep your bobby pins closed. Now remove the clips off the hair, and I'm just going to add a clear elastic band just to keep them together for now. Do this on both braids. And then I'm going to take a couple of fingers and go through the middle of one of the stitches of the right hand braid, grab the braid and twist from the left hand side, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through that hole. Then I'm going to take a small piece of hair from under the right hand braid, grab those tail ends and then join them all together with a clear elastic band. then pull it tight so you can't see it. We're going to do the same on the opposite side, so grab a little bit of hair from the left hand side and your tail ends and join them together. Next, pop the rest of the hair into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck, and we're going to divide this ponytail in half, and starting on the right hand side I'm just going to twist this ponytail towards the head, then holding on to the top I'm going to bring it up and over the top of the elastic band, hold in place, and I'm going to secure to the head at each end and through the middle with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do the same with that last section, so again twist it towards the head, but this way we're going to go in the opposite direction, so start over on the left hand side, hold it on the top, bring the ends over to the right hand side and secure to the head with as many pins as needed. Add some more texture powder to that bun and then gently pinch and pull for a little bit more messy volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.